So you had the resilience last time. Did you tell us what you got in here this time? I mean, not the resilience, but the...
I had the platinums in here last time, but just one 12K wasn't enough. I need to go ahead and add another 12K, but until then, I'm going to just run back with the golds. Okay. But there are 4 gold resilient sounds. There's 1,000 watt subs on the MD12K. Okay. At 0.5 on the 0.5 edition.
What's he doing that?
Yeah, that's... I was going to listen to that one earlier. There we go. A little 25-55.
Yes.
On that VIP.
What's he doing that? Okay, cool.
He'll play it all.
DJ Rusticle's kid tested, mother approved.
And you did, man. what's the volts at?
Oh, volts over here, 13.5. Yeah. Hold on. 14.8.
Dang, that's just that quick. Man, what you got up under the hood?
Autotech 370.
Okay, the Autotech.
Yes.
Guys, the Autotech.
Oh, yes. Definitely.
And we got what in the back again?
It's the MD12K 0.5 edition, wired at 0.5.
Nice. So there's a different edition, 0.5 edition.
There's the 1 ohm edition and the 0.5 edition.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, well, they discontinued the 1 ohm because everybody wanted to run the 0.5.
Right.
And they was trying to run 0.5 on the 1 ohm, and it wasn't working out, which understandable. I mean, that's what they said. Look, ratings at 1 ohm, not 0.5.
Team No Game, did you know that there was a 0.5 edition for the tire amp? I didn't know that.
Oh, he's got the 1 ohm?
I think so. I need to holler at him. Yeah, need to holler at you, man.
Yeah, for real.
And I appreciate the demo again, man.
Not a problem.
I appreciate it.